What's up, guys? Welcome to my new heaven. This is Dennis. We're looking at 2,500 square foot house that's been remodeled inside. So it's supposed to be pretty nice. It's a 3-car garage. It's 2 stories. Let's check it out. Nice. It says 10-foot ceiling here. Yeah.
Well, this gives you an idea of what you could do. Well, yeah, it's taller this room than the kitchen. It looks painted to me. Right? I think so. It doesn't look like that. I mean, look, this is probably what oak would look like in white.
Crazy. The camera battery is like not liking its heat very much. It's like definitely much shorter lifespan. You think these are like oak cabinets or like?
I think it looks like it's painted, right? Painted oak.
You like it? Do you think? They can change the handles. It'll look better. It feels like maybe like
Yeah.
gray or something.
Straight lines.
Yeah, this pattern and the. I think it feels a lot better on a smaller counter. The island. I think the other house, the island is just so overwhelming, and it takes up way too much
yeah.
space. I think this is like good size.
Yep. But you know what? They really didn't put enough overhang here.
Yeah.
This is as a bar stools.
Yeah.
They should have painted.
Backyard here. Palm tree really close to the house. It's actually covered. Patio. It's nice. This is real grass. You have a couple of small palm trees in here. Not bad. Woo! Almost fell over. Let's see.
Oh, there's a big palm tree there. Not real big.
Oh, there's a lizard. Almost got it on camera. Side yard. I guess I see it must be on the other side. I don't see them.
Oh.
I don't know. Yeah, I guess this paint is actually not fresh. It's been here for a while. The paint. It looks fresh in the pictures, but it's not. I think it's been here for like probably at least 5 years, I would say.
The paint?
Yeah.
It smells like they just painted.
That's definitely old paint.
You don't smell it? It looks so fresh though.
No.
See, I think they painted. Because I can smell it and it's like, ooh, headache.
They probably painted the like the baseboards are fresh paint, but not the walls.
You don't think so?
No, the
I
walls.
mean, look, there's like no spots at all. That's very unusual. Usually you're going to see some telltale signs.
There's a bedroom here.
We're gonna see what our house will look like with painted cabinets.
Very small closet.
Well, this is kind of small room.
The closet is tiny.
Like 9 by 9?
You
9
think?
by 10? 10 by 10?
Yeah, I don't know. These are the ceiling fan. Okay, so let's see.
Drill hardwood floors. A little coat closet.
Wow.
You could probably fit a vacuum cleaner and a couple
kinda
of jackets.
Hard to get to it. It's really jammed in the corner here. Oh, smells like paint. There's a little storage here. Cut out. Yeah, there's tons of paint here. See the storage there?
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah. Oh, there's actually more cut out by the water heater.
Dark door.
Oh yeah.
That's so weird.
Okay, let's go. Let's go inside.
Smells so bad.
Smells bad, yeah. Take our garage. Nice.
Did you turn the light on in there or turn the light off?
Oh, I don't know. This is the pantry. Okay. Is this for like for your mail or something? Interesting.
What?
Is that for your mail? Like the boxes?
Oh, here?
Yeah.
I don't know, like wine bottles, I guess.
Oh, okay. All right, let's go upstairs.
Yeah, the ceilings down there are huge. So just the kitchen and the rest are maybe 9 foot. The other ones are 10 feet, you think?
Okay, it's hardwood floor here as well.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, definitely looks better. You can see how low ceilings again. Okay.
Foot.
Yeah. What is that cut out for?
Right.
This is the master bedroom?
Yeah.
It's kind of small. Well, yeah.
Well, when are you gonna find something long like ours? It's decent size.
Babe, it doesn't have to be like ours. I'm just saying, it's small size.
Yeah, closet system.
Jetted tub?
Oh, another closet here. Oh yeah. You see these?
Okay.
There was some meme on like shared from Ellen or something. Oh yeah, see the paint scratching off. So that's the problem when you paint it. That's the thing, you can't stain something white. You can't stain it a lighter color really.
The stain doesn't scratch out.
If you seal it, these might have just been painted and not like sealed or anything on top of it.
Do you remember what the price for this was?
$329
$329.
for like 24. 25.
The window open here. Okay.
It's open.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the belly button.
Okay. Oh, wash and dry here. This feels kind of tight, right? The house?
The house was tight.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's not some giant house.
Well,
Good size. I mean.
just the way it's made, it's like.
Well, you have a loft. You know, a lot of houses this size don't have a loft, and you still have like formal dining living with a great or like kind of like a great room now.
Yeah.
Yeah, just have the really thin closet doors. Paper thin.
All right.
It definitely looks a little bit better in the pictures.
Yeah. No, this paint is not fresh. I mean, this is like old paint. I think it's like at least. I think they painted the baseboards. Yeah, I think the baseboard is fresh.
There's a girl right there.
Okay, let's go.
How big are the rooms, you think?
They're just like. They're like standard size. I mean, nothing special.
Yeah. Whoa.
It's careful.
I just can't really close to me.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right, guys. See you next one.